Good morning, ma'am.
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 I'm going to evening advice for you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
You know what is special today? And anybody remembers anything special today?
Birthday.
Birthday. Very good, children.
I've done the work in 1.3 I submitted today.
I'm not able to hear Rita. Repeat. Others, please mute yourself. Then only you able to hear others. Mute yourself. Aji, who was saying something? Somebody was saying something.
And I was saying that I've done the work till exercise 1.3. I'll send it today.
Okay. Hurry up, children. I'm just waiting for the children to enter. Today, before starting of the class, we are going to give our tribute to Mother Earth. A beautiful song prepared by our Mohsin sir. I'm going to share that song also with you. Okay? You're going to enjoy it like anything. And we'll pray in our heart that Mother Earth, please help everybody who is in the problem right now. We are facing the problem. We all know. Let's all come out of it.
Madam.
Let's come all out of it.
Out of this lockdown period.
Mute, beta. Please, it's a basic rule. Whenever you join, mute yourself unless you have to say anything to the teacher. Okay? It's a basic rule. Till now, everybody should know the rules. And please switch on your videos. I want to see you people. Why do you switch off? Math class, I want to see you people. Okay? Can I start that tribute? You all are going to enjoy like anything. Yes, I'm just going to start. Let me just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Can you all see this slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see who are there. Vanshika and Himnish. We need to be a little faster, children. Need to be a little faster. Now let's see. Please mute yourself. Akshat, why did you unmute? Akshat, why did you unmute?
Good morning, ma'am.
Perlin, unmute. Good morning, beta. Unmute karo bache, otherwise others will not be able to listen anything. Okay, let's just pray Mother Earth to save us from the problems we are facing today. Let's pray.
जब सखी चुनरी हो धानी अमृत सा बहता हो पानी पर्वत में माटी माटी में बहती ठंडी हवा सुहानी धरती, ये धरती 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 तब अच्छी लगती है, धरती तब अच्छी लगती है, जब उसकी चुनरी हो धानी, अमृत सा बहता हो पानी, पर्वत में माटी माटी में बहती ठंडी हवा सुहानी धरती, ये धरती 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 जब अच्छी लगती है। धनी सा धनी मेहनत की फसलें उगती हो, खुश होकर धरती माँ खिलती हो, मेहनत की फसलें उगती हो, खुश होकर धरती माँ खिलती हो, बच्चों की बगिया खिलती हो, बच्चों की बगिया खिलती हो, कोयल कुहू कुहू करके बोले धरती, ये धरती 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 तब अच्छी लगती है, धरती तब अच्छी लगती है, जब उसकी चुनरी हो धानी, अमृत सा बहता हो पानी, पर्वत में माटी माटी में बहती ठंडी हवा सुहानी धरती, ये धरती ये धरती
I hope everybody liked it.
यस मैम बहुत अच्छा था।
यस मैम, बहुत अच्छा था
मैम बहुत अच्छा था।
मैम, बहुत
Okay,
अच्छा था।
I still see some of you are waiting. Let me just make them enter, then I'll start the class. When I was making them enter, we had to stop the video also for stopping in between. So they were disturbing us. It means they were, please come in time, children. 10 o'clock means 10 o'clock. I always try. 9:57 पर मैं सिस्टम पर बैठ जाती हूँ, so that we should not waste a single second. Shubh, please switch on the videos. I want to see you people. Shubh, Shubh, where is Shubh? Shubh is here. Why did you come late? Shubh, why did you come late? Shubh, late क्यों आए हो? Why have you come late?
मैम कनेक्टिंग हो गया था।
Okay. बेटा ऑडियो ऑफ रखो, otherwise we won't be able to take the class. हाँ जी वंश बोलो। वंश, you want to say something?
No मैम।
You have raised your hand. Please mute yourself, then only class can continue. I hope nobody will come now, but I can see only 33 children. It means 10 children are missing the classes. 10 children are missing the classes. Okay, last time I told you that we'll do G and H part again. I told you we'll do G and H part again. Do you remember that?
Yes,
Remember
ma'am.
that? Chirag, I want to talk to you. Chirag, I want to talk to you. Chirag. Chirag.
Ma'am, yes.
Should I keep this email ID or only in Google Classroom?
Ma'am, you can remove the Chirag.
Then what is your new ID? How will you post your work?
Ma'am, I have connected to Google Classroom through another phone.
Another phone, so it's fine, but I want the name. Is the name Chirag visible there?
Ma'am, it's Rajgopal on it.
I can't check the work of Rajgopal. Why are you not understanding? See, there are two ways. Either you make a new account with your name, or
I done it so.
listen, or go to the same account which you are using. Just change the name there. Okay? Gmail account की settings में जाकर ही name change कर दो आप. Go to Gmail account settings and change the name.
मैम एडिट अकाउंट का ऑप्शन आता है मैम.
Okay? Chirag, समझ रहे बात?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And keep your names in the way it is mentioned in your school records. I'm going to arrange you like a attendance register. It will be like my attendance record. I cannot check the work of somebody else like Ronit Das. I can see Sudipta Das. I should be Ronit should be visible there. Ronit, are you listening me? Either you open your account or change the name of Sudipta to Ronit.
Okay,
Go
ma'am.
in Gmail account settings and change the name. Now I am starting with the class. We will continue with question number 5. If you all wanted me to do again, I am doing it again. Please yourself mute. Otherwise, I am going to mute you people. It's better you mute yourself. The show it by thumb that you are able to see. Are you all able to see the whiteboard on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We are continuing with exercise. Same exercise 1.3 and question number 5. The most important question. Question number 5. Please put your video audios off. Akshat, audio off, please. It's creating disturbance in the class. Panch Tameja. Now, question number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Put your audio off, beta, unless I ask you if you have query. Then only you will on your video. Video should be on. I'm doing now again G part minus 17 into minus 29. I told you last time also we are going to write this minus 17 as it is. Then I have to write this 29 minus 29 as, who will tell? Sifar? How will we write minus 29?
Minus 30 plus 1.
Minus
like
30
this.
plus 1.
The one whom I am going to ask. That's why I was not giving you the rights to speak. Yes, minus 30 plus 1. Now, Vidya, what will happen next? Vidya, what will happen next?
Ma'am, we have to first multiply minus 30 with 17.
Minus 17
then,
with minus 30. Minus 17 with minus 30.
Yes.
Then
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
sign will come as it
And
is. Then
yes, ma'am.
next, bolo beta.
Ma'am, then we have to multiply minus 17 into 1.
1. Very good. Now minus 17 into minus 30. What is minus 17 into minus 13?
510.
510.
510.
Very good. Then plus
Ma'am,
minus
then
17.
we'll
Minus 17. Okay?
Minus.
Minus
Yes,
17
ma'am.
one is minus 17. Now subtract 17 from 510. What do we get?
493.
93. Okay, very good, children. Now this is the answer. No disturbance, please. Once you have answered also, mute yourself. Others are able to pick up. Disturbance at the back. No disturbance.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do we have to redo the questions?
This one, G part. Only this
Do
part.
we have to redo this?
G part, yes, beta. If you have not done
Ma'am,
last
in
time,
a fair notebook. Ma'am,
If
we
you
have to
not
redo
done-
it as.
if you have done, then it's fine. Last time we did it. If you have done, then it's fine. If you have not done, then we'll do.
Okay.
Now, H part also some of you were saying, ma'am, please tell H part again.
Yes.
I'm doing H part again. H part was minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. See, the problem I was facing here is that we have
Distributive property.
property is fine, but we don't have any number with 57. We don't have any number with second 57. One more thing. If we multiply two
We can
negative,
add, ma'am, we can add 1 here, 57 into 1.
right, wait. One more thing. Whatever, if you multiply two negative numbers or if you multiply two positive numbers, the answer remains same. But also one of the property. That if we multiply any two positive integers or any two negative integers, the answer will remain same. Okay? This property we are going to use here first. I am going to write 57 in place of minus 57. I write 57 multiplied with 19, then plus 57 multiplied with 1. This is the first step I am going to do. Anybody has any query, he or she can raise the hand.
Excuse me, ma'am, Yavi.
हाँ बोलो यावी.
मैम ये ऊपर जो था ब्रैकेट में वो minus 57 था, बट जब वो नीचे आया तो वो plus 57 क्यों हुआ?
Same ही आएगा ना, minus plus. Listen. If two negative numbers are multiplied or if two positive numbers, same numbers, you get the answer same. Minus 57 into minus 19 or 57 into 19 is the same. Both signs are changed. Okay.
So, ma'am, if both the numbers are negative, we will write it in when we are writing the answer, we'll write it in positive in multiplication.
It becomes, because I have to take common in the next step. It won't matter. It's simple, two numbers you're multiplying. See, above also you got the answer positive in the last because the numbers were
Yes,
negative.
ma'am.
That's why I'm saying.
Okay.
Because they both will
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, I had a query.
Yes, bolo.
Ma'am, in E part.
E. Aaj bolo. E.
Ma'am, 65. Ma'am, जो 65. 625 है और दो जगह हम उसको कॉमन लेंगे मैम. एक पॉजिटिव है और एक नेगेटिव है, तो हमने पॉजिटिव को क्यों लिया?
नेगेटिव भी ले सकते हो लेकिन अंदर वाला में नंबर्स चेंज हो जाएंगे. इफ यू टेक नेगेटिव नंबर कॉमन आउट, 35 will become minus 35 will become 35 and 65 will become 65 only. It won't matter. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, and I guess
Guys,
it
let
was,
me focus on this question first.
Okay, ma'am.
Others
Okay.
are doing this question. Honey children,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
what will happen in the bracket now? What will happen in the bracket? Am I doing right? Any query from anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji, bolo.
What?
Answer 1140.
Is there anybody who's not able to understand this? Is there anybody who's not able to understand this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. The answer came out. What will you
1140. 1140. 140.
Very good.
1140.
Very good.
I'm 19 plus 1 to kiya.
We have taken common. 57 I have taken common. From the first term I got left with 90. Second term I am left with 1. That's why I multiplied with 1 because I had to take common. When I multiply any number by 1, there is no change in the value. There is no change in the value.
Ma'am, but if this one would not be there, then we would not get 57 to 20. We would get 57 to 19.
Whenever we take common, 1 is always left out. This is what I wanted to explain you. If instead of writing this step, I could have written second step directly, then also 1 would be left out. 57 if we take common, 1 is always left out. 1 is always left out. 57 into 1 is 57. This is the main thing in this question. That's why I am doing the difficult ones in front of you. Now, did you all try the PDF? The parts PDF? Are you all able to do? Say yes or no, show your thumb. Are you all able to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Able to do?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Safira,
Ma'am,
you
can
are
you
also late, beta. Safira, you are late.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा.
मैम इन लास्ट क्लास मैंने आपको बोला था कि आई वाज हैविंग अ डाउट इन द वर्कशीट इन क्वेश्चन
I
नंबर
need that. Wait. I'll
हिंदी में एक खींच मेरे दी चलो हम
Ma'am, you are not audible.
मैम यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल
You all have started talking. Let me just check.
Ma'am, no,
मैम यू
ma'am.
आर
Ma'am, your
audible.
voice is fading.
This is shaking because you all have unmuted yourself. I'm again saying don't unmute yourself, otherwise I'll take the control from you. This is the right way. You are not listening to me. One more thing, keep your videos on. Videos on. Videos on. Audio off, video on. Audio off, video on. Every day I will tell this. Prachi has some query. Prachi, any query? Prachi, any query?
मैम हमें इस क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Can you repeat the question?
Ma'am, we have to write the properties of in these questions.
No, but you should know which property we have used. Sometimes the question comes to recognize, to tell which property we have used. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Nikunj, mute yourself. Nikunj, I want to see you also. Put your video on. Prachi, put your hand down. The query is solved. Put your videos on, audio off. Videos on, audio off. Now, let me see what Yashika was asking. Yavi was asking last time. Let me see. Yavi, pucho beta.
Ma'am, I was asking the worksheet which you have given. I was having the doubt in question number 3 and in question number 5.
Okay, just show. Read the question. Read the question.
Ma'am, I have to read the question. Question number 3 was a word problem, and it was Arnav had rupees 20 with him. He spent rupees 8 on Monday, got rupees 5 as pocket money on Tuesday, gave rupees 7 loan to a friend on Wednesday, and ate an ice cream worth rupees 10 on Thursday, and receive a reward of 5 from his grandfather on Friday. How much does he have on Sunday if his friend repays the loan on Saturday?
Very good. See, this is the question where we have to use the property where we use positive, where to use negative. Whenever somebody is getting the money, he or she, it is becomes positive. And whenever you are spending the money, it becomes negative. I hope everybody knows this.
Yes.
Okay. Whenever he is getting the money, put the sign plus there. Whenever he is spending, make it negative.
Ma'am, he had rupees 19 left.
I'm just explaining, Yahavi. Whenever he is getting money, put a sign of plus there. Whenever he is spending, put a sign of minus there. Yahavi,
Yes,
samajh
ma'am.
aaya? Then in the last
Yes,
you add or
ma'am.
subtract. In the last you add or subtract.
Okay.
Okay, you'll get the answer that way.
Okay, ma'am.
जब भी पैसा आ रहा है तो we'll write plus.
Okay, ma'am.
जब भी पैसा जा रहा है तो we'll put minus. It means we are spending.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, now may I ask?
हाँ जी बेटा.
I was also having the problem.
हाँ जी बोलो जल्दी से बोलो. Hurry up. Hurry up. Who is asking the question?
Mama, I was.
मैम इसका आंसर क्या था क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का?
Rupees 19. He is telling me na. Manas is telling.
No. It's 12.
Mama, it's 12 rupees.
Ma'am,
Yes,
yes,
yes.
12.
57 minus the 20 is 12. Is equal to 12.
Okay.
12
See,
ही है.
the main
Square, the answer
story
is 12.
behind. Just don't start with something like this. I'm going to unmute you people and no control for unmuting. Class is getting disturbed this way. And I was telling you the main theory behind this question is whenever money is coming, he is getting money,
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Yes.
nobody can help these children. Okay. See, the main theory behind this question was that whenever we are getting money, we have to make it positive. Whenever we are spending money, we have to put minus sign there. And in the last, we have to total them. It means you are not able to add up all the numbers properly. That's why you're not getting the same answers. Try it again. The next time we'll talk about it. Show your thumb that you have heard me and new query. Any query? Please put your video on. How many times I'll tell you? Yeah, have you try out? Then you can ask me again once you are not able to get the answer. Okay? Now let me just start with. Can I start with the next exercise now? Anybody has any query in this exercise? Children, anybody has any query in this exercise? Nikunj, have you done this exercise? Nikunj, आपने exercise की है? Exercise पूरी की है 1.3?
Ma'am, yes.
आ गई आपको? Are you able to do?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, yes.
Okay. I'm going to check your classwork and homework both. In the same copy you can do, but work should be done. In the same notebook you can do, but work should be done. Kashvi, any problem in the exercise 1.3?
No, ma'am.
Can I go for 1.4 now? Can I start with 1.4, Himnish? Can I start with 1.4?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, left I thought you will do So I forgot. I will do it today only.
Okay. Now I'm doing the next exercise. Starting the next exercise. Exercise 1.4. You need to be little faster because I'm getting the message from Zoom. Time is going to be over. Doesn't matter. We'll just finish off with few questions. Please complete. Try this on your own. No need to remind you again and again. Try this to be done by children all as such with them only. They have to do it. Question number 1 I am doing. First, I'll choose few of the difficult parts. Division also the rule is same. Aryan, what happened? Aryan, focus. Anji, I was telling you in division also, if two numbers, dividend and divisor, have the same sign, the answer is positive. If dividend and divisor have different sign, the answer is negative. Repeat this rule. If dividend and divisor have the same sign, the answer is positive. If dividend and divisor have different sign, the answer is negative. I hope everybody remembers these rules. I am doing E part 13 divided by, I am using this symbol because there is no symbol of division in my laptop. 13 divided by -2 plus 1. This is the question. Do you all remember BODMAS? How many of you remember BODMAS? Akshar, do you remember BODMAS?
यस
क्या होता है बेटा BODMAS में?
मैं सबसे पहले हमको वो मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है फिर वो प्लस
BOD, BODMAS. B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So first and foremost, we have to solve the bracket. This is what I am going to do here. What is -2 plus 1? Sifat, what is -2 plus 1?
Ma'am, it's 1.
-2 plus 1 is 1.
No.
Sure. Chirag,
-1
-1. Sifat, you need to be careful. You were just, I just saw you that you are not very active. That's why I asked you. 13 divided by -1. Now, dividend and divisor has different sign. Prachi, focus. 13 and 1. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So how will you get the answer? Whether the answer is negative or positive? Who will tell? Raise your hand. Answer is going to be negative or positive? Aryan?
yes ma'am
What is the answer? 13 divided by -1.
ma'am minus 30
Very good. -30. This is the answer. Children, some of you are coming so late. Pranay is coming right now. I forgot to lock today, but I saw Pranay is entering today, right now. Now, I'll do few more parts, like G part. Children, we need to be a little faster because I'm getting message from Zoom. The time class is going to be over. Little faster. -31 divided by -30 plus, no, -31 plus -1. Now, somebody will tell me faster. Tableen, how should we go here? What should be our first step? Tableen,
First we will write 31, then divide sign, then we minus 30 plus minus 1.
what is minus 30 plus minus 1?
1 minute.
Minus 30 plus minus 1.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, please.
What is the answer? Minus 30 plus minus 1. So on. Forming.
Ma'am, 31.
So on. Minus 30
Yes,
plus minus
ma'am.
1. What is the answer?
Ma'am, minus 31.
Minus 31. You were making mistake, Tableen.
Ma'am, yes.
It was not 31, it was minus 31. You need to be careful, children. Otherwise, you will get the wrong answers. Now, if I divide minus 31 with minus 31, both are of the same sign, dividend and divisor of the same sign, the answer is going to be 1. Any problem here, children? Any problem? I hope first question is very easy. You all will be able to do question number 1 of 1.4 and question number 3 also. Let me just talk to you. I need to talk. Can I change the screen? If you have copied, I can change the screen. Vidya, have you copied? Can I change the screen?
Yes,
Ronit, have you copied? Can I change the screen? Ronit, can I change the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vansh, have you copied, beta? Can I change the screen?
No, पक्का तो चलेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Vansh,
Ma'am.
तुझे फोन टा
okay.
আমার মিউট ছিল তো আমি কি করে বলবো?
Please, whenever I am asking you question, mute yourself after that. Others are not able to listen you. Okay, let me just talk to you. This is very important. Yes, children. Is there anybody in the class who has problem in these questions, division questions? Somebody will tell me the rules again, faster. Somebody will tell me the rules again. Chirag, tell the rule. What I told you right now. Jaldi se batao beta. Repeat the rule.
rules.
Rule of division.
मैम प्लस रहता है और माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाता है.
Whenever.
प्लस माइनस.
Very good. Very good. जल्दी बोलो बेटा. चिराग बोलो बच्चा. Okay, Kashmi, you repeat the rule beta. Kashmi.
Ma'am, if there are even number of negatives, then the answer is positive, and if there is odd number of negatives, then the answer is negative.
Very good. Clap for her. See, whenever dividend and divisor, listen to me again. Whenever dividend and divisor are the same sign, the answer is positive. If they are dividend and divisor different sign, the answer is negative. Time is getting up. God bless you all. Please finish your work faster. I'll post the work in Google Classroom. Did you enjoy the class? Say yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
goodbye,
ma'am.
children. God bless you all.